speed up your manifestation. Bring things into your life quicker, faster, with more ease. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And reminding you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon, because when you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, then you get one of our videos every single day. We're here Monday through Friday to empower your life with the law of attraction, personal empowerment, the mind sciences, and of course, ancient wisdom from the mystery schools. Speeding up your manifestation. You know, one of the complaints I get from people is they say, well, Robert, it's just taking so long to get the manifestation to happen. And I understand that we become impatient. As human beings, we want everything now. You know, and I mean, we've got to the point where we don't even sit in line at Starbucks to get our coffee anymore. We call ahead so it's already ready for us. And that's just how we are. That's how we live as a society, and that's where our mindset is at. So speeding up manifestation makes sense, especially when it's areas that are troublesome, when it's areas where there's pain and tension and anxiety. I'm going to give you 5 things that I believe that you need to give up in order to speed up your manifestation. Most people say, Robert, well, what can I do? What can I do to speed up my manifestation? I need to speed up my manifestation. Give me something to do. Give me an affirmation. It doesn't work that way. It's about getting rid of stuff. It's about getting stuff out of your lifestyle and out of your energy field that allows this lack of resistance to take place so that manifestation can happen almost instantly. It happens much, much faster with a lot less anxiety attached to it. So number 1 is you need to refuse to give up happiness. Pretty much everything we do in our life at some level has happiness attached to it, especially when the outcome is satisfying. So think about it this way. When you are happy, everything seems to flow. Things seem to move in even when you run into resistance, it doesn't trip you up. Everything gets better and better and better. Happiness is a natural magnet. It's a natural magnet for attracting whatever you desire. Don't you just love being around people that are happy, excited, motivated, on fire, passionate about life? Doesn't it feel good? Of course it does. And that's the same with the universe. The universe loves helping you get exactly what you desire when you choose happiness. So every morning when you get up, say, hey, I'm going to choose happiness. I don't know what the day brings completely, but I'm going to choose to be happy from the very beginning of the day to the very end of the day. You know, a lot of these challenges that we're going to go through right now, things that you need to give up, are things that we help you with in Miracle Mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching. We've helped people in 60 different countries. We've saved incredible relationships. We've helped build businesses. We've helped people win $1 million. Miracle Mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching. Be sure and send us a letter with your challenge, with your goal, and always leave a phone number, because we don't always respond to letters that don't have phone numbers attached to them. Phone number, and if you're outside the United States, what country you're in. We don't want to call you at 4 a.m, you know. Number 2 is giving up fear. Fear just, have you ever heard the term paralyzed with fear? A person is, I'm paralyzed with fear. And that's what it does. And that's exactly what it does, high flyers, to your manifestation ability. It paralyzes you. So only about 8% or less of all the fears that you can imagine or have imagined will ever come even close to manifesting. So replace fear with positive thoughts. Replace fear with positive pictures. And finally, challenge your fears. If you have a fear, I don't know who said it, but somebody said, if I have a fear, that's an indication I need to do it. Now, obviously, some fears are worth having. You know, if you are running in the jungle and a tiger is chasing you, you might want to run a little faster or find some safety somewhere. That's a real fear, but most of our fears are imaginary. By the way, did you see that YouTube video of that guy on a motorcycle with a tiger chasing him through that was scary. That's a real fear, high flyers. But most fears are not. Most fears just paralyze you and stop you for feeling happy. Remember, we talked about happiness? Number 1, being happy. And then fear stops the happiness. It paralyzes you and stops energy from flowing. Likewise does doubt. Doubt is number 3. So when you start giving up doubt, when you give up cynicism and being cynical about everything and all of that, but when you start doubting yourself, oh man, that stops the manifestation like that. I mean, it just punches that manifestation. Boom, boom, boom. And so, high flyers, believe in yourself. Believe fully and completely in yourself. We're going to do some videos strictly on dealing with doubt. We don't have time in this video. Doubt is a tough one. It's one that just stops you from trying. You know, when I doubt it's going to happen. I doubt it's going to happen, Henry. It's just not going to happen. So I'm not even going to try. Why should I try if it's not going to happen? And that's what doubt does to you. The next one is addiction. And if you're not getting professional treatment, medically supervised treatment for your addictions, you know, I had an addiction. I had 2 addictions in my life that were severe. 25 years ago, I smoked cigarettes. That was 25 years ago. That's a long time. I haven't smoked a cigarette. But I had a bad addiction. And it took every ounce of willpower, and it took some medical patches, and it took friends who supported me, who would call me at 11 o'clock at night. You're not going to have a cigarette before bed, are you? You're not going to, and they'd call me in the morning. You're not going to have a cigarette when you wake up in the morning, are you? You know, after a month, I realized I didn't want to smoke anymore. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, high flyers. It took me about 6 months to a year to really feel addiction-free from cigarettes. But if you're vaping, if you're smoking cigarettes, if you're sitting around smoking pot all day, if you're drinking alcohol, if you're taking drugs, these are all things that just slow down your manifestation. So if you truly want to speed up your manifestation, you got to be like me, baby. Clean on the inside and on the outside. Oh, yeah. Stress is a big one. Number 5 on my list. Stress. Stress will slow down it. You know how your muscles get? They go, it's like you're squeezing a wet towel and they're just tight. When your muscles are tight, when you're filled with thoughts of anxiety flowing through your brain, you are not attracting through the corridor of happiness. You're not putting out those positive, uplifting, energetic, exciting vibrations. And so stress, you've got to relax. You've got to meditate. You know, I went to the chiropractor today and he's checking me. He said, oh, we got a little stress here. This is stressed out. So now I'm going to get it unstressed. We did some work. You've got to constantly, we live in a world where tigers are chasing us all the time. Unfortunately, they're not tigers, they're imaginary tigers, imaginary demons coming after us. And it stresses us out. We're all multitasking all the time. We're doing this, but we're thinking about that. Keep your mind focused right here. Be right here, right now. We have some incredible meditations that are designed to help you with stress, anxiety, and manifestation at miraclehypnosisonline.com. And Rachel and I, oh yeah, we're still giving out that 7-day free trial. I want you to try it, Miracle Hypnosis Online. And lack of certainty. I just don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm just not certain. I don't know if I should move there or move here. I don't know if I should go up or go down. I'm not certain if things are going to work out. I'm not certain. And that's where people, they wonder, well, how come I'm not manifesting? Because you're not certain about what you desire. I turned down a client last week. She called me. I want to save my marriage, my relationship. Wonderful. Well, I'm not really sure if I want to save it. Wonderful. But he is the love of my life. Well, okay. But he's treated me bad. And she went back and forth, and I said, look, I can't help you. Nobody can help you right now. Nobody can help you because you've chosen uncertainty. You need a path. And once you choose a path, once you choose a direction, you need to cut everything else out and move in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, you are incredible. You are unstoppable. You are unbelievable. You are unique. You are beyond expression. But you need to know what you want. You need to know what your deepest desires are. And of course, never operate from a position of want. Okay, that's it. We're out of time. Speed up your manifestation. If you need help, we're here for you. But these 6 elements they're just like kryptonite to your manifestation. Okay, we love you. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.